Well, guys, let me know below if you'd buy this for $1.
Chimichurri sauce. So we're going to grab some fresh parsley. The whole recipe is on our website. We're going to blend it so. Fresh coriander as well as parsley. Garlic. Onion.
Full recipe on our website.
Yes, links below. Vinegar. To get it going. We'll see how it does and then we'll add a bit more. Little splash of olive oil. And salt. I also like to put a little squeeze of lemon juice. Looks pretty good. So I gave it a taste and I'm just going to put a little sprinkle of sugar in there.
If you put lemon, you got to put sugar.
And it's got vinegar. Shot a beautiful chimichurri sauce.
So I've got some really thin steaks here. Buffalo. This is actually buffalo.
Nice, nice.
Season your meat. So a little bit of salt. Not too much. A little bit of pepper. You don't want to overdo the pepper. And then just rub a little bit of garlic in. Ooh. And repeat. It's probably easier if you do them all at once. And then you just cover it with a little bit of flour.
What's that going to do, Brian?
Well, it's going to soak into the meat a little bit and help the chimichurri sauce stick to it once you've fried it.
Awesome. They look yummy.
Oh, they really are. And these are 20 rupees each.
So like $50.
$50.
Wow.
Yeah. 50 US cents.
Good, good.
Good, good. And then let it sit for a little while.
In the proverbial ice cream tub.
If you don't have ice cream tubs, you don't eat enough ice cream.
Yeah, go get ice cream.
Okay. Look at how the bread has risen.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It just came out as one. I made enough to do 5, so I'm going to divide this up into 5. Not quite sure how to divide this into 5. I can do 4.
Do 4 and then give a little bit to each.
Okay, what I'm going to do is do that. Master divider. Turn them into little balls. Like so. Which makes, when you get to rolling it, a little bit easier. You also get to discover that some are smaller than others.
And you can give them a little bit.
let me fix this. Okay, dusting of flour. I would grab that and be all Italian about it, but then it'll go everywhere. So what you're going to do is roll it out for the fried bread. You don't want it to be too thin. You're not making a pizza here, you're making a bread.
Trusty rolling pin.
Great rolling pin. I use it for all my rolling needs. Okay. We are going to be frying it. So I do want it to be a little bit thicker, but you do want it to be even. As you can see, I'm not very good at rolling things up.
Yeah. Rustic.
Rustic, yeah. Perfect.
Great, let's fry it. This is our secret. Beautiful chicken fat that you can get almost all the time. That's what we're going to cook our buffalo steaks in. So they're going to be chicken fried steaks.
Chicken fried buffalo steaks. Awesome.
Over to you, Brad. Over to you.
Let's get this chicken fat melted. Look at the steaks. See, they've absorbed a lot of the flour into them.
Oh, lovely.
And that's what you actually want. We're going to cook it hot. Let's get them in. I was hoping for a little more sizzle than that, but it is chicken fat, so I don't know what temperature it gets to sizzle at.
These look great. I mean, one of those, you're still coming in for, you can sell it for $1.
Still sell it for $1 with the bread and the sauce.
Wow. Looking forward to trying that.
Yeah. I must admit, it actually is this one. They'll work out a price. This one's going to be a little bit more expensive and that one's going to be a little bit cheaper.
Oh, when somebody's you give the bigger ones to your favorite customers.
Exactly.
Loyalty card.
Get your loyalty card, get the bigger piece. First day, get the smaller one. I can see liquid coming through. That means it's probably done on the one side.
That
crunch.
Oh, those look amazing.
They actually look really good.
Yeah.
I'm well chuffed with that.
Mouth is watering.
Absolutely. Wow. Buffalo steaks with that chicken smell. It smells good. Okay, these are done.
Oh, wow.
So I think the idea is that you have them on your griddle.
Yeah.
Right? And you're doing these and the fried bread next to them and getting everyone's mouth watering.
Oh, yeah. All one time. Go, go, go. People just like, yep, thanks. I'll have 3.
Or more.
For sure.
I'm going to take 3. And now, while it's still hot, I'm going to put the bread in.
Awesome. Waste not, want not. And
the flavour's
yeah,
there.
no, that's authentically South American.
That's exactly how you would do it. And with the bread. You don't want it quite as hot as the steak. So I've turned it down a little bit.
And we're simply just going to fry this.
Just
Shallow
fry
fried bread.
Shallow fried bread. Low and slow.
Unless you got cues, then crank it up.
We're getting a little bit of action here.
Uh-huh.
Hey, you ready for a turnover?
Uh-huh. Ooh.
Look at that.
Oh, that looks gorgeous. Mmm.
Oh.
This is an absolute feast.
Oh, man.
Oh, I'm looking at my mouth is watering.
It really is.
When's it ready? Somebody really needs to start this business.
They really do. Hopefully when we get to the end and see the whole thing, you'd pay $1 for it. But it cost us a lot less to make, and we'll let you know at the end how much it did cost. Looks absolutely perfect.
Oh,
Look at that.
Smells so yeasty and beautiful. It's a cake. Oh, like bread.
It's like bread. Simple. We got our bread. We got our steak. This is the one I showed you. I'm going to put a little bit of onion on top. You got to have the onion. And then, wait for it, chimichurri sauce. Now, I was going to spoon it on, but you just need a little, not too much. 1 tablespoon. Look at that.
Awesome.
And finish it off with a little bit of parsley.
No, that is like super seriously gourmet. No way.
Would you buy this for $1?
I'm buying that for $2.
Let's see how it tastes. I'm not quite sure how to eat it. I think you just pick it up and bite it.
Yeah.
What do you guys reckon?
The theory was that you could sort of fold it in half and
I don't think you could fold this in half. Look at the size of this bread.
you made the bread too big.
The bread is massive. But the steak is big as well. And it's hot.
Steak sandwich.
Oh, what bread is really good.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's really good fried bread. I'm just going to pull a piece off so you guys can see. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that looks amazing.
That is such good bread.
Mmm.
Oh, got to try the steak. Does have a little bit of chew. But great flavor.
Oh, yeah, that chimney.
Oh, that chimichurri and the stuff we put on it. Total cost for this was 52 US cents. So selling it for $1, you're going to make 48 US cents.
Oh, word. Nice.
Well, guys, let me know below if you'd buy this for $1.